Are you ready on the right? Are you ready on the right? Are you ready on the right? Are you ready on the left? 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, there's a little guy over here. There's a little guy over here in a yellow shirt. He's right here. Hey, there's a guy behind this. He's right here. There's a guy right here. Hey, right over here's a guy. Hey, I just saw a guy run to the castle. Yep, there's a little guy. He's still right here.
Be on the other team for a second.
Up, there's another guy going to the castle. Hey, there's a guy in the castle. Hey, there's a guy over here by the respawn. Hey, there's two guys over here. Nope, one's running to the castle. There's a guy right here. Oh, there he goes. Hey, there's a guy in a red hoodie right here. There's a red hoodie right here. There's two more over there. You got three guys over here. Up, there's a guy over there. Up, there's a guy in this round thing inside this tube. Hey, I see two guys over here in the trench. There's one guy in the trench over here in the bushes. There's a guy over here. Hey, there's a sniper over here in the trench.
Hey!
4 minutes. 4 minutes. Hey, there's a guy right over here behind this tube. Nope, there's one inside the tube too. Hey, there's two guys behind the castle. Hey, there's one in the back fortress. Hey, the guy with the shotgun is right here in the castle. Hey, there's a guy in this trench right over here. Hey, the sniper's back, everybody. The sniper is back. He's right here.
Woohoo! Come get me.
See, I'm a pointer dog. Hey guys, there's a guy right here. I almost tripped on him. Two minutes. Hey, there's a guy right here. He's running fast.
Dang.
Hey, shotgun's right over here on the outside corner of the castle. Hey, there's two guys behind the castle. Up, there's a little guy right here, the yellow.
Is there anyone else?
Not last I checked. There's a little guy right here. One minute. There's two guys in this bunker. There's a guy right here. There's two guys behind the castle. There's still one guy in this bunker. Not anymore, he just left. There's two guys behind this castle. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game over. Ceasefire.